All right, now let's let the tide come in and catch some fish.
Want to go on the side of the net? We're catching fish.
$47, $68, $87, $8, $108.